Hey, welcome back, sixth graders. Our next Khan Academy is called Valid Claims. On this one, uh, Lincoln Junior High School asked all of their eighth grade students. So here's kind of a key. They asked all of their eighth grade students a question: "What's your what is your favorite breakfast?" And 18% of them said pancakes. So since we asked all eighth grade students, can we conclude that 18% of all students in eighth grade at Lincoln Junior High School have breakfast as their favorite meal? No. They just said that 18% prefer the pancakes. They said nothing about what their favorite meal was. So, no to this one. Can we conclude that 18% of all students in eighth grade at Lincoln Junior High School have pancakes as their favorite breakfast? But we cannot conclude anything about the percentage of the population who have breakfast as their favorite meal. That's correct. We have no idea about the breakfast, but we do know that in the eighth graders, 18% of them. So, yes, we can conclude this one. Let's find out why we can't conclude this one. 18% of all students at Lincoln Junior High School have breakfast as their favorite meal. This says nothing about breakfast. Okay, so it can't be that one. Okay, so we just have to read carefully, I think, is what this is saying to us here. All right, City Councilwoman Kelly wants to know whether the residents of her district support a proposed school redistricting plan. Okay, which of the following survey methods would allow her to make a valid conclusion about whether the residents of her district support the plan? So they're going to ask, it looks like both questions, they're going to ask 200 people. Okay. Would it be a good idea for her to ask 200 residents of her districts where she chose the names at random? Or should she just go down to the local playground and ask the 200 parents at the playground? And what it would be is you need the 200 that are randomly chosen. If you think about it, 200 parents that go to a local playground, if their parents going to a playground, they probably are all parents of close to the same age with young kids. You're getting only the perspective of parents with young kids. You're not getting the perspective of all the residents. So that's why you'd want to choose 200 randomly chosen from the whole population. All right, good luck to you guys, and we will see you at Google Hangouts. Bye bye.